Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and I am back with another fall video. This one is going to be a DIY with some items that I picked up from Dollar Tree. All of these items I got on the party aisle. I have an ice bucket, 2 bowls, and I did pick up a 4-pack of serving bowls. They're really small. So what I'm going to do with the ice bucket is I'm going to turn it into a vase. So I put some glue at the bottom of the ice bucket, and this is the small serving bowl that I'm going to use as a pedestal. All of these items were $1.25 each. And for this ice bucket, I'm going to repeat the same steps, except I want the vase to be taller. So instead of using 1 serving bowl, I'm going to use 2. And I'm not a big DIY person. If I do a DIY, it has to be really simple, but you can get really creative with these things here. I was looking and I thought about different looks that I could do. These would really be good for birthday parties, small events, things like that, and you won't have to spend a lot of money. This is the larger serving bowl. So what I did, I flipped it upside down and I'm going to place the smaller serving bowl onto the bottom, use it as a pedestal. Now you can use this in different ways. You can put your snacks, different things like that, or you can put different decorations, however you want to do it. But we're coming up on fall season, so I would put some acorns in there, maybe different kind of candies. I think fruit would look nice in these bowls, but it is up to you. You can put whatever you like in these bowls and it will look nice. I'm going to add some fall florals that are from Dollar Tree. So all of these were $1.25 each stem, and I believe these are 9 that I am using. So I have 3 pumpkins that are also from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to place those in the bowl. These are a little big. I wish they were a little smaller for this bowl, but they're not. So I'm still going to put them in there anyway, but they were also $1.25 each. And I'm going to use the other bowl as a centerpiece for the dining table. Now it is too small for my table. I would prefer it be on a counter, but if it was a little bigger, it would be perfect. But I just wanted to give y'all a visual of everything together.